Alright guys, enough talking on my videos. I'm actually going to show you how good this thing digs. Hey, what is up guys? It's Evan Whitman here today again with my excavator. Basically, I just wanted to show some of the work. Oh my god. Sorry, got distracted. There's a little frog. Anyways, yeah, I want to show some of the work I've been doing with it. So I'm digging this all up here. Entire section. I'll show you the hole I dug with it. I just want to let everyone know I got some of the worst ground here, like it's just full of rocks. And the plan is to push that all in, level this all out, which I've been doing. It just takes a bit of time with this machine. And pushing it to here with the blade. This machine actually has been doing really well. The only thing that I have as a bit of concern is that the gas boils after about an hour. Also, peep the baby ducks. Quack. Quack. Yeah, so yeah, it's doing pretty good. This took me maybe about an hour, 45 minutes. Which with this machine, it's cheap, okay? It's a 1-ton. It's a cheap Chinese 1-ton, so don't be judging. Plus, I got like the worst ground possible. All right, peace. thumb's not the best. I mean, it's not terrible. I'll use it for this just because I don't want to get full of dirt. But yeah, these are going to get burned on the fire tonight. And the plan for tomorrow is get some dirt, then top the dirt with some gravel. Not going to take all the rocks out, just going to take out the wood. And that way it won't attract ants.